I'm gonna test it out. Testing, testing. 1, 2, 3. Big up those who big up me. Fight against those who fight against me. Testing, testing. 1, 2, 3. My name Ayana. I come from Jamaica. I'm full of vibes. And my friend them love me. My family them love me. And everybody will come around me. Say them rate me. Yeah, yeah. I have a mic, guys. I have a mic. I'm gonna set it up so to make sure say you hear me good and me hear you good. I think I have this put down for too long now. I'm gonna use it tonight because let's see if you hear me a little better with me using my microphone. I'm gonna just put it right here. Yeah. So I just have a microphone that can be used with my it can be used with my thingy. I'll do some reviews on these also. Don't worry, I got you. Your girl got you. So it can be used with everything. It come built for everything, like as in everything. Alright, so I'm gonna hook it right here on my clothes right here. I'm gonna hook it right here and hope that you guys hear. We have now another thing that you will be needing for your YouTube channel, guys. So you're gonna be needing a little mic. And what is so handy about this mic, it comes with the attachment if you want to just attach it to your phone, all right, to your computer, to your tablet, to your camera, and it comes with every other little things that you might use it on. See, everything, right? And it comes with the little covering to put over the speaker, right? And here you have the microphone. So here you have it, and it comes with a little thing, well sturdy and well strong, to click on your, right? See, these are everything that came in it. I definitely recommend it, and this is why I'm here. For those young new YouTubers, I recommend that you get one of these little mic. As you can see, here it is, the covering for to put over this. If you want to take off this one, you can put on this one. All right, look, it comes with all the pieces just in case of the type of device that you have that you want to plug it on. And the cord is very long, guys, very long, you understand? And you get this little pouch with it to keep everything in, very handy when you are going out on the road. All right, so there you have it. Say for instance you want your, also today I also opened the mail and got my Campac action camera. So this is what I am going to be reviewing next. Look out for this video, guys, you won't want to miss it. So this time I'm going to keep the phone straight way like this because I'm going to show you how to use the microphone. Yes. Alright, so I pulled it out. So, sorry about that. This one, I should still turn it crossway just to be safe and know that you see properly. So, alright, so I pulled it out. It's very long, I like that about it. Alright, so this is, and here's the safety pin. So I'm going to pin it right on my clothes, and you can pin it where no one can see that it's actually on you at the same time. You have to be smart. Alright, so it comes with this piece. I will leave pictures inside for you to know what and what it actually comes with. So it also comes with this piece. So what if you want to take off this head, you can take it off and put on this one. Yes, I love the little setup, and it's very reasonable. And what it helps to do, it helps to make you perfect videos. It helps to smoothen your voice, and your viewers and subscribers can hear you much better and much clearer. And it comes with this piece. See, it comes with a lot of connections, and it also comes with this piece. And it also comes with this piece. So it comes with a lot of connection for the little, and it comes with this piece. This is an adjuster that when you put it inside, you can keep the wires at bay, right? All right, so here you have it, and it comes with this little bag that you can keep everything safely in. Bingo. All right, so there you know, so I can remove now of my little clothes. Testing. All right, so tips and tricks. You will definitely be needing your own little microphone. Very cheap and very reasonable. You can get it on, I will leave the link below, but in the description, where you can get this very reasonable one on eBay. All the best on your YouTube journey. Mwah.